Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToFormula. Today we're diving into a great way to set up some savings for the future, opening a Treasury Direct account for your child. Section 1. Why open a Treasury Direct account for your child? Setting up a Treasury Direct account for a child is a great way to start teaching them about saving and investing. It allows you to purchase US Treasury bonds directly from the government, which are low risk and designed to help build wealth over time. Section 2. Requirements to set up an account. To set up a Treasury Direct account, here are the basics you'll need. 1. Your personal info, including a valid social security number, an email address, and a US bank account. 2. Your child's social security number or taxpayer ID. 3. An adult Treasury Direct account, since you'll open the child's account as a linked account to yours. Section 3. Step-by-step walkthrough. First, go to treasurydirect.gov, the official government website. From here, log into your existing Treasury Direct account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create that first. Step 2. Navigate to Manage Direct. Once logged in, go to the Manage Direct section and click on Establish a minor linked account. Step 3. Fill out the form. Now you'll enter your child's information such as their name and social security number. Make sure everything is accurate. This form also includes a few additional questions. Step 4. Choose security settings. Select a security question and password specifically for this minor account. Section 4. Buying bonds for your child. Now that the account is set up, it's time to purchase some bonds. Treasury Direct lets you buy Series I savings bonds or other US Treasury securities. Just choose the bond type, set the amount, and confirm your purchase. Section 5. Final tips. And that's it. You now have a Treasury Direct account set up for your child. Remember, bonds purchased will grow over time, so they're a great way to kickstart your child's financial future. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy investing.